This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's my pleasure to be here with you in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to work on 4 melodies written in the key of E major. When I say work on, we're going to work on playing those melodies by reading standard music notation, as that is the focus of this lesson series. And right now, we are working in the key of E major that has 4 sharps. F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and D sharp. As we're playing these melodies together, we'll be jamming right along with bass, drums, and guitar accompaniment, which is super helpful and makes it super fun. This video accompanies lesson 19 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to be on pages 122 and 123. We're going to do songs 9, 10, 11, and 12. So it's going to be great. Each one is going to happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. In the last video that came out, that goes with this book and goes with lesson 19, we worked on the scales. We worked on numbers 1 through 8. So we got really comfortable playing in this key. If you haven't seen that video, you're going to want to check that one out and get comfortable with those scales in this key. I went over these sharps, where they're located, and all that. But here in this video, we're just going to go ahead and play these melodies. It's going to be great. Let's do it. Okay, awesome! I hope you're having fun with this. In the next video, we are going to play the other melodies that are part of Lesson 19, so it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.